Middle school was a whole other experience. Walking through the crammed halls on the first day, it was all very confusing. When I looked at my schedule, I automatically knew what my classes were until I saw journalism. I got sort of scared because I thought it was creative writing class and I'm terrible at writing. When fourth period finally came, I walked into the classroom and the first thing I noticed was all the book covers and movie posters on the wall. I sat down and expected our teacher to start talking about what makes a good story, but she asked us what we thought of media. We said computers or websites. Then she told us it was also newspapers, magazines, and even books. It was anything people could make in order to reach a large audience, like commercials. This class taught us about happiness, beatboxing, and many other things with TED Talk. It taught us about why we should always be yourself and never let others tell you otherwise. Another thing was, it doesn't matter what you look like, it matters how you treat others. PowerPoint was something I also learned in this class. It helped me with many of my tasks and even helped me with tasks outside of this class. This class taught me how to use and understand PowerPoint and its tools, like putting themes, changing how the new slide comes in, and how to add color and textures. We also learned how to advertise school activities using poster boards or PowerPoint. It was cool to walk around the school and see your poster giving students information. It taught me a little more about media and how to get word out to large groups. We even learned that people make movie posters to advertise. Google and Google tools were some things I also learned about. Webmaster Tools were cool because it showed the website and how its health was. And we learned about Google Trends, which was cool to see what people search the most. My favorite was Google Sky that shows you space and helps you see what little we know about it. We learned about how to see pictures and point out mistakes in the picture, like if the lighting wasn't good enough or if it was blurry. We also learned how pictures can have many different meanings. We even learned how to take a perfect picture and upload it to replay it. Alright. The last thing I learned in mass media was how to make a good newsletter. This had a lot to do with media because it was used to tell people what was happening in their classes. As I said, I don't really like writing that much, but it was still a really fun activity.